Hello everyone and welcome to Computer Help 911. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you can get informed whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check the full specification of your computer, how to know the components that are on your computer. Let's dive right into it. On your Windows computer, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift Escape to launch the Task Manager. The first page you are going to see on the Task Manager is the processes page that shows you a list of the applications that are running on your computer and the usage, what they're using. So this is not our window of interest. Our window of interest is the second one. If you move over your mouse on it, it shows performance. That's where we're going. You have the full information about your computer. So let's begin with the CPU. When you click on the CPU, you can see the generation of your computer processor. That's the first information you see. You can see the speed of your processor and you can see the usage information. All those information are there. It tells you, okay, for instance, the system I'm using is a Core i5 system. You can see the processor speed there, 2.4 gigahertz. Now you see the usage information, how the processor is being used. All that information is right there in front of you. Okay, the next one you're going to see is memory, which is a very, very important component in your computer system. If you click on memory, it shows you the capacity of your memory in gigabytes. That's the first information you're going to see there, the capacity of your memory in gigabytes. And when you move down there, you're going to be seeing usage information, how your memory is being used by the computer presently. And then you see another information that tells you the speed of your memory. Now this will enable you to be able to buy memory and replace. Whenever you want to upgrade the RAM of your system, you will know which kind of memory you should buy. And then it also shows you very important information, as you can see there. It shows you how many slots of your memory are you use, which enables you to know if you're going to upgrade your memory, whether to buy a memory fully or you're going to have to replace one. In this case, the two slots are filled. So I have to, if I must upgrade this memory, I will have to buy one and replace one that is there. So it means I have to buy something higher. The next thing you have the information about your storage device, which is your hard disk drive. In this case, I have an SSD. Merely looking at it, even without clicking, you would have discovered that it is showing you that it's an SSD storage, a solid state drive storage. Okay, and if you click on it, you will see the full information about your SSD. You see the kind of storage that you have there. Here I have an NVMe storage and the speed is 512 gigabytes. Okay, so that's, you can see that right there. That gives you every information you need about your hard disk storage. If you have a removable storage installed into it, you also see the information right there. Okay, so you can see the speed of your storage. Of course, there is a difference between your storage capacity and the physical capacity. So what you can see there is the physical capacity that you can use to store information. You can have information also about your wireless connection or your Wi-Fi adapter. In this case, you can see the kind of adapter that this laptop uses. Okay, basically that's what it is. We also show an information about the network you are connected to, if you are connected to any network. The next thing you're going to have, you will see the information about the graphic processing unit. That's your display adapter. In this case, I have a laptop that has a dedicated graphics. So it has two graphics. The first one you can see is an NVIDIA GeForce, and you see the model there. If you scroll down, you will see the speed, the capacity of the graphic. I have a 2 gig dedicated graphics here. You can see 2 gig, you can see 8 gig. Like that. So my main the main graphic of the system is 8 gig, and then I have a 2 gig dedicated graphics on this laptop. Okay, so that gives you the information. And of course, as you can see, it actually has 2 GPU information, meaning that it gives you separate information for both the main graphic on the system, the onboard graphic, and the dedicated video. So that is how you can get all the information you need about your computer using Windows operating system. I hope you find this video informative. If so, please drop a comment in the comment section. If you also have questions, you can also ask in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you can always be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you and see you in the next video.